Hello world, it's your boy A-Wall Monstrosity Lifestyle, and here today we at Species Gym out here in Katy, and I'm about to bless y'all. I'm here with a couple of my friends, the Gorilla Gang here. We about to hit y'all from top to bottom, full body circus, and each one of us is gonna take care of each one of the body parts, and we gonna bless y'all with something great today. Rah, A-Wall.
I see my leg right there down in the street. I see my leg right there down in the street. Huh?
Outside.
Huh?
Yeah. Scooter gang.
Hello world, it's your boy A-Wall. We back again, Monstrosity Lifestyle. We just killed a killer motherfucking monstrosity chest and back circuit, 3 sets, and the reps were 15, 12, 12. We did flat bench first, 15 reps. Then we did a close grip dumbbell chest press, and you do those with the champagne glass for 10 reps. We did those 10, 8, 8. And everything else was 15, 12, 12.
Big Mo. Keep a stash in the cleat. Come on. Throw that weight up. In the streets, we ain't doing no tweets. I'm still dogging that beat, keep that hoe on the lead. I'm about to smoke and clip on my paper. You thinking you fly, clip your wings. One more, it's in you. It's in you, not on you. That be a good money.
Play with that bat, we gon' cut off the penis. She don't want a man, she just wants a good penis. Have I ever told her that I love ya? I mean it. The nigga get shot for that reason.
Well, to rock out, baby. You know how we do it, man. See, iron sharp as iron, man. That's why we all in this motherfucker. We about to get it in, man. Iron sharp as iron. So make sure that you training with the best. Because to beat the best, you gotta train with the best. And to train with the best, you gotta surround yourself with gorillas. This is a gorilla game. You know what I'm talking about? Pow. We went from flat bench to pull-ups. Pull-ups, we did 15 reps. From pull-ups, we went to decline bench. Then we're right into the dumbbell chest press, champagne.
Big get too needy. Mash on your wet like potatoes on easy. I don't break the switch where I make it look easy. Who got the back for the no-no? I needed the plus and the low, and my nigga won't keep it. Keep that fat, I put down with my people. We gon' knock the plug off if he get the reach.
My fucking diamond bustin' up bleeding. Know each other, watch for a beat. Go get a couple, pouring up the leader. Big boy, so I'm finna leave. We hit back to back, I can see.
From there, we went to see the rolls.
If I don't get money, one like me, neither. Don't turn on your dog one day, you might need it.
Get that weight, baby. Make sure you get that weight, too.
I don't wait my time, killing my vibe, bitch, all on my line, pushing me by the bitch, money all on my mind. I don't even really know how, but I know.
After see the rolls, we went to incline bench with the chest press and champagne glass again. Then we ended with the 3 variations of pull downs. We did forward, behind the neck, and underhand.
With the glitch, don't play with the money. We'll hit your block and get the spinning, little nigga. We'll put you in the blender. Still trying to do the law. Still trying to get the pack off. So I'm around town in the room. And my mama raised a heater. And I'm riding around with the heater, so you can't fit up in my 2-seater. Still pouring drink, that's an 8 in the liter. Hop out with glass on the shots at your kingdom. 230 clips, that's enough for your people. Get hit with the 40, get hit with the Nina. Bad yellow bitch, and I think I'm 19. I just collect payments, I'm never gon' freak. Get rich off a shout and break down with my people. My shooter creep through your block like the Reaper. Whole 100 shots, yeah, he swift with the sweep. If this was the 90s, I had like 3 beepers. They leaning on me, boy, I swear they sleep. Get packs out of humble.
Right after that, we went straight into jump rope, 30 seconds to end the set. We did 3 sets of those. And again, the first set was 15 reps. Second set was 12 reps. Third set was 12 reps. And with the dumbbell chest press with the champagne glasses, we did 10 reps for the first set, 8 reps for the second set, and 8 reps for the third set. And with the pull downs, we did 10 reps for the first set, 8 reps for the second set, 6 reps for the third set. And with everything we went up in weight. Everything we did went up in weight. So man, I'm telling you, I'm tired. Cause right after that, Mo here had us in the killer leg circuit. At the same time we were doing the killer arm circuit with Baker. I'm gonna have Mo break down what we did for the legs.
So for the legs, we did overhead lunges with a 45-pound plate. We did 8 laps, so we went down probably 30 yards. That's 1 rep, and back 30 yards was another rep. We made 4 trips, 8 reps total. Definitely to help with the legs there, help build a strong core. And we went from that to the bis and tris.
Yeah, we topped off and finished everything off, complimented everything with a bodyweight banger. We did headbangers and to add extra style points and bonus points to it. We incorporated L-sits to make it even more challenging, engaging the biceps and the core.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bonus points if you do it. Bonus points if you do it from an L-sit. That way you get your core engaged while you're doing it. Right there. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2. Put a 2 pause on it. Yeah. Up. 2, 1, 2. Keep your core engaged. Let's go. You're doing good. 2. Yup. 3. Yup. Keep that core tight. 4. Keep working. 5. Yeah. That's it. Come on. 6. Yup. 3, 4, 5. Straighten the arrow. And immediately we drop down the tiger bends, hitting the triceps. Palm and palm. Forehead, in, up, and drive from your palms, but keep your fingertips flat. Look at the horseshoe popping. This man got 2 horseshoes on the tricep. Good work. Go, let it. Go.
Hold it, keep going. Go. Work.
That nigga doing it.
Work.
Work.
Woo. Hey, I'm tired, I can't say shit. Good. Cut. Cut. We killed biceps and triceps, 10 and 10, quick reps, no break in between, and we just finished it off just like that. So we all pumped up. See, I'm still sweating. That work's still showing. You know what I'm saying? So it was a crazy day. Crazy day.
Like I told you, man, iron sharp as iron. Me and the Gorilla Gang got it in today, and this will not be the last you see us together, man. We're gonna link up. We're gonna have some more coming for y'all 2021, man. And when I tell you hard work, dedication, repetition equals success, you gotta lock in, focus what you need to do, and train with the best. That's how you beat the best, that's how you be the best. And let them know where they can find you at, baby.
Collins Moore, my IG is gonna be More to Life, MOORE, the number 2_life.
I'm on Instagram, man, TikTok, T_FitBaker. Everything with underscores in it, so T_FitBaker. Check me out, man.
And I'm just grateful to be here, man. Monstrous workout. My first time linking up with these guys, man. Amazing workout. You can find me on Instagram, GBeast02. I appreciate that work.
Sure. What's going on, man? As you can see, I'm dead tired, man. Got it in with some beats, man. You can find me on all platforms. A1X Fit. That's A1X Fit. Tap in.
Yes, sir, man. Stay tuned. AWOL Monstrosity Lifestyle. Rah.